Hi, this is Dr. Tim Smith from New Life Chiropractic, your max living doctor. Today I want to talk about the #1 cause of death in America, which is heart disease. 1 in 4 deaths is related to heart disease, over 600,000 people every single year. The cost for this annually is in the hundreds of billions of dollars. And this is over 95% a preventable lifestyle related disease, especially when it comes to a heart attack. Typically, the first symptom of heart disease is a heart attack. And nearly 50% of the time, that first symptom is the cause of death for that person. Because people are so stuck in judging their health by how they look or how they feel or getting a test from their doctor. They're more worried about what their blood pressure is or cholesterol or these other numbers that really have very little to do with your overall health. And nobody, almost no doctor, is actually looking at the true cause of heart attack, which is subluxation. A heart attack is a sympathetic event in your nervous system. It's like a short in an electrical system, causing your heart to go out. That's a heart attack. Let me show you exactly how that works and how chiropractic can help change that. So when you're under stress, when you have traumas from emotions, toxins, and physical traumas, what that causes is misalignments in your spine, a condition called subluxation. That interferes with your nerves. So if you look right in here, this is your brain. Your brain sends messages down your spinal cord and out the nerves. Now, the spinal cord is connected to a few different areas. It's most importantly connected to what's called your sympathetic chain ganglion, which goes into all organs and affects the sympathetic nervous system. So when you're in a stressful state, sympathetic state, everything's working overtime. Your blood pressure goes up. Your heart rate goes up. Your heart has to work harder. Your muscles have to work harder. Your digestive system shuts down. Your immune system shuts down. The cognitive portion of your brain starts shutting down. Imagine if you're in that state all the time and your blood pressure's high. No drug fixes that. Your heart's beating too fast. No drug fixes that. Your heart is not repairing and regenerating like it should. No drug fixes that. And the way we're able to correct and change that is by removing that interference, creating what's called a parasympathetic state where everything relaxes, calms down, and heals. There was a study done a few years back on chiropractic and blood pressure alone, where one adjustment was more effective in reducing blood pressure than top 2 medications. That's because it's affecting this system. So if you're having heart problems, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, heart disease, you've had a heart attack, you've had other issues, the first place you want to go to is your chiropractor. We specialize in corrective care here in our office at New Life Chiropractic in Rockland, California, or you can find a Max Living doctor near you at maxliving.com. Find somebody who can help you get natural solutions, prevent these issues from coming up, and avoid the #1 cause of death in your life. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.